Hey there, everybody. This is Coach Harris. Once again in the driveway / garage. So anyway, hopefully everybody's doing really well. I'm still on quarantine. Things are going well though. So anyway, what we want to do today is we want to take a look at how do we write a linear function from a word problem. So the directions say write a function to represent this. So I wrote a little word problem here. It says Enterprise Car Rentals offers a special of $35 per day along with a one-time account setup fee of $20 to $25 for a compact car rental. So a couple different things we need to notice here. First of all, the word function. So much of what we've been doing talks about linear equations in the form y equals mx plus b. You know, we get this. Just remember that anytime we hear function, you can take that y and you can rewrite it as f of x. Now, what did I just do? I just put that in function notation. Okay, so by replacing the y with f of x, that gives me function notation. I feel a sneeze coming on. Excuse me. So that right there tells me, excuse me, that it's going to be f of x as part of my answer. All right, we got all this. This is all fluff. Okay, now this right here, we get this term right there, per. All right, per denotes rate. It denotes an amount every time it's used or something like that. Anytime we see this, we see rates, we see anything like that, we've got to think slope, okay? This word right here connects with the word slope. Well, where do we know the slope is located? It's right there. It's that m in the y equals mx plus b, or f of x equals mx plus b. So knowing that, I'm going to take that, I'm going to plug it in right there. So when I'm looking at my equation, I've got, or excuse me, my function, I've got f of x equals 35x, okay? Now, what about that y-intercept? The way I tell my students is, it's the standalone fee, or the thing, or the amount that would be there no matter what. Well, think about it like this. The y-intercept always occurs whenever x equals 0. So how much does it cost to set up the account? $25 for the account setup. All right, so if I didn't rent anything at all, all right, I had no days of rental or anything like that, but I still wanted to set up the account for future use, maybe business travel or something like that, would there be a cost? Yes, there would be. $25, okay? So how did I get the function? F of x equals 35x plus 25. I'm looking for a rate. That rate becomes the slope. I'm looking for anything that would be by itself, standalone and by itself. So that would be the 25. So just a thought right there. Hopefully you guys are doing well, staying safe. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to send me an email, harrist@rcschools.net. This has been another 5-minute math lesson. Actually, it looks about 3 minutes. So you guys take care.